What do you say, Nana?
What's up, guys?
Go on, Daddy.
What's up, guys?
Hello. So, it's a little bit late today. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is Sunday, and this might be posted another day since we have to do Sundays What's the Question today.
Yeah, we're going to the beach.
Yes, we are. We are on our way to the beach. Say yay!
And
Yay.
it's not a big beach, but you guys will see. It's like
Yeah.
a little private.
Hopefully there's not a lot of people there, but it's hot outside, and Sunday's like our family days, so that is where we're going. Let's go.
Yeah, it's good.
So we're here, and
Yes.
last time when we went to the canyon,
There's
I put like
nobody.
a little clip of this place at the end, and there was nobody, and now there's like so many cars, and it's such a little place, so we're already kind of annoyed because we don't like being like around that much people.
But it's just the fact that it's a little place. It's like...
Yeah, it's like a little place and there's so much people, so I don't know, but we're gonna go anyways. We already drove, so
Yeah.
ugh, there's so much people, guys. Nana, this way, baby. Follow Daddy. Are you excited?
Yes.
There is a lot of people, and I will show you guys. So it's like a super small beach. Ah! You put sand in my face. So we're kind of like in a corner all by ourselves. I don't know. I'm not that smart, you know that. Nana, you look so cute. Show me your bathing suit.
Bathing suit.
Ah, look at you. So cute. Where did you see this idea from, Daddy? Kaka. Nice. Isn't that so cool? It like keeps out all of the sand. Go. Is it heavy?
Yes.
Okay, open it. Almost. You know why? Because you need some,
Water.
yeah.
No, you don't need water.
Yes, you do need water. Go prove. Go prove to the world that you don't need water.
Every time we go to the beach, you make me, I tell you this, you're like, go.
I totally don't, because from what I remember, every time we go to the beach, we always go get water. Look, there's a mosquito. Gotcha. I don't think it's gonna work. Do you think it's gonna work, Nana? Do you believe in Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
ready?
Moment of truth. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. Good job, Daddy. What are you building, baby?
Tree.
Huh?
I'm building some trees.
Some trees? They look awesome. Careful, baby. The rocks are they hurt your feet. Is it cold?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we have to find some shells.
I don't know if there's shells in here, but you can't go too deep because the water gets too deep, alright?
Daddy's gonna jump in.
Okay, stay here with Mommy. Go on. You've done worse than that. Okay, go. Do you think you could go in? Go in. Just go in fast. Go in fast. Go down. Sit down fast. Sit fast. Go on. You could do it. You could do it. Are you scared? You want to go on the shallow end?
What?
In the shallow?
Go there and sit down.
Mommy's looking for shells. I don't see any, baby.
Daddy said there's shells underwater.
I see some pretty rocks, maybe, but I don't see any shells. Well, the water is freezing cold, and it's not like the hottest day, so I don't know. Alex didn't want to go swimming. Daddy.
Went.
Yeah, well, you went in, then went out.
You even go in?
I know, because I'm a chicken. But it looks like people are actually starting to leave now, so that's actually a little bit better. And we're gonna be here for a while, so people are starting to go. What are you building, mamas? A lake?
Yeah.
With the rocks? Oh, whoa.
That's a little bit sad.
Sure, if you want, but all the water's gonna get into, it's gonna turn into mud. I had something to tell you guys. So, we are going to be having a, sorry, boobies. So, we are going to be having a giveaway in August. Now, I'm gonna do something different because I don't want to make the title of the video like giveaway so that everyone just like clicks on it, like even if they don't watch our videos, they just want to click on it and try to win the giveaway when they don't even watch our vlogs. So, we have a collaboration with a company, which I said before, that is gonna contribute to giving away some items, and we're gathering up some items, and it's gonna be a small giveaway but a nice giveaway for those that watch our videos, and it's not gonna say it.
Is there gonna be more than one winner?
No, just one winner. But it's not gonna be the title of the video. You guys actually have to be watching our vlogs to see, because it's gonna be like in the vlog that we're gonna put the giveaway and show the items and give the rules and everything. So if you guys don't watch our videos, then you guys will not know. So I'm just letting you guys know that now, and it is gonna be our 30K giveaway. Thank you guys once again for 30,000 subscribers. Woo-hoo. Look at me for a second. Nana. Nana. Look at me for a second. Look at me for a second. Getting lower and lower. Hey, don't pull your pants down. Everyone's gonna see your butt. So how's life, Daddy? How was your bachelor party last night? Yeah, he got super drunk, guys. Super drunk, and even after he brushed his teeth when he came home, he still smelled like alcohol. Even after he took a bath, he still smelled like alcohol. I know. At least you guys had fun though, right? Yeah.
No.
It was cool having a beer with your dad.
You found some little leaves.
No, baby. You want to go in the water now?
Go now.
Yeah.
Okay. Because then we're going to go and eat after we dry off.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You can
Go.
No, you go first. You're
I have the
brave
camera.
one. Yeah, you could still go first. Okay,
Ooh, look at the fishies.
so cold. Yeah, it's so cold. They're baby fishes. Yeah, you have to like...
Yeah.
I think that's a rock.
No, it's a fishy.
No, it's a rock, baby. It's a rock. Okay, go on your thing.
Mierda.
Ready, go.
I don't want to fall down.
No, you won't fall down. Okay, turn this way. Go. So lay down. You go in Emma's pool and it's cold. Okay, I guess you don't want to go in there? Are you cold, baby?
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to tell you. Because I'm trying to tell you. That's why I'm here.
Okay, so you want to go home? Okay. Alrighty. She wants to go.
I want to run a lot of sandcastles.
You want to build sandcastles? Go sacrifice yourself. Go on. I don't want to. I'm not the one that said it. I want to go get wet, so. Go on. Go on.
Jump, Daddy, jump.
You jump.
Jump, Daddy, jump. Jump, Daddy, jump. Daddy, not jump.
Yeah. Sorry. Bad lighting, bad lighting, bad lighting. Yeah, we're gonna get going because there's mosquitoes that are starting to come out, and I got another one here. So I'm trying really hard not to get any more mosquito bites.
Show you. Okay. You put a lot there.
Oh. They're coming out, they're attacking.
Look.
Attack of the mosquitoes.
You have it there, like this. Hit it against the ground. Some more. It's good. Yeah. Okay. No, you go fast. Okay? Ready? 1, 7. Okay?
You can go.
Yay! Good job! Alright guys, we are at A&W and we're going to get some junk food, some burgers and stuff. Nana's not even watching where she's going. Teen burger. Mom time. What are you eating, mamas?
French fries.
Are the fries good?
But that's a little bit hot inside.
Hot inside. Daddy, yours is good? Yeah. What do you want, Birdie? You pig. You little pig.
Oh, the bird?
Yeah, those are yucky birds and they're dirty birds and all they want is to eat your food. They don't care. That's all they do.
I gotta get it one.
Okay, give it one, but don't throw it far because it's gonna come close. Throw it far. See? It doesn't care. Uh-oh, look, now you're gonna bring more. I hate those birds. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to end the video like this. Our camera is broken, guys. Our cat broke the camera. And I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know.
No more camera.
No more camera. We were gonna film What's the Question, and now we can't. And we can't even end this video properly. No, we can't see us. So I'm so sorry. If we vlog right now, it's gonna be with the old camera that we first started our YouTube channel with, and until we get this camera fixed, or we're gonna have to go see if we have a warranty on it, or what we're gonna do, because we don't have like $500-600 to spend on a new camera. So we will see you guys later. We look like blurry blobs. We love you guys. Bye.